we're told the system of linear equations below is graphed on the coordinate grid. So we can see the graph of y is equal to negative 2x minus 2 in blue here, and then y is equal to negative 1/4 x plus 5 in brown here. And what I want you to first do before I do it with you is see if you can visually think about what the solution is to this system. So an x and y pair that satisfy both of these equations. And then I want you to verify that it is indeed the solution. All right, now when I visually inspect it, it looks like this point right over here is on both lines. And if I eyeball it, that looks like the point x is equal to negative 4 and y is equal to 6. So negative 4, 6. But let's verify that that indeed is a point on both of these lines. And to do that, let's see what y is equal to in each of these when x is equal to negative 4. So in that first one, and maybe I'll do it in that same color, just to make, or a close color. So if I say y is equal to negative 2 times negative 4 minus 2, that's equal to positive 8 minus 2, which is indeed equal to 6. So for this blue line, when x is equal to negative 4, y is indeed equal to 6. Now let's also do it for this brownish looking line. So there, y is equal to negative 1/4, and here our x is negative 4. And then we're going to have plus 5. And so so here we have negative 1/4 times negative 4 is positive 1 plus 5 is indeed equal to 6. So that point, negative 4 comma 6, is indeed on both lines.